Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer. And the next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down until you get to carrier features. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to click on make call with. The next thing you want to do is to simply switch to ask first. And with that, each time you want to make outgoing calls on your Android phone, it's going to ask you whether you want your SIM 1 or SIM 2 to make calls on your Android phone. This is work for any types of Android phone you might be using. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.